Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to make money online using this app that pays instantly for free. This is a great place to earn money and it is available to people in multiple countries all over the world. Later, we will reveal the best parts of this app and the website to use along with it to make money. The steps are pretty simple. Choose any YouTube video you like and then click share button to share it and collect your cash. This is a completely free method of making money online because all you have to do is share other people's YouTube videos. This website also offers a lot of flexibility and allow you to get paid out via PayPal or any other payment method. But first, don't forget to tap on the thumbs up button to like this video if you like making money online. This allows me to share this video with others and help them make more money. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications with that bell icon and be the first to learn about the new ways to make money online. Let's begin with a step-by-step explanation to demonstrate how and why this website will compensate you for sharing other people's YouTube videos. This is the dashboard where you can keep track of your earnings and your shares. As you can see here, this website uses different methods to allow you to withdraw money. You can use PayPal, Peso, Skrill, WebMoney, Bitcoin, or direct bank transfer. So on this website, you can choose from a variety of payment transfer options. It's simple to use and suitable for beginners. But there's one more thing we need to do before we return to the website. So the first thing you need to do is to go to youtube.com. Let's go to YouTube's official website and you may now search for anything in these categories. You may search for terms linked to business in the same way that you can search for keywords related to art. So from these categories, consider what you generally watch on YouTube or what is popular on YouTube. You can pick from music, sports, games and entertainment, maybe health. There's a lot of different categories and niches to choose from. You can pick anything and just search for keywords from that category. Don't worry, you're not going to sell anything. All you'll be doing is sharing YouTube videos and then getting money. So go to YouTube and search for how to lose weight fast in this situation. So let's do a keyword search for that phrase. Here are some of the most popular videos with millions of views. For the first video, it has 2 million views. This video has 10 million views. Third video has 4.5 million views and many more. Since this is a really popular keyword and by sharing these YouTube videos, I can easily generate a lot more clicks. As a result, you should concentrate on more popular videos as well as more categories or keywords that are frequently searched. You should concentrate on videos with high number of views because sharing those videos will earn you more money. If you share a video with only a few hundred views, it might not be the most effective way to earn money. However, if you manage to pick a video that is popular and has a lot of views, you can maximize your profits. So let's assume I want to utilize this video titled The Boiled Eggs Diet, Lose 10 kilograms in 2 weeks as an example. That is in fact a very excellent title. It is essentially clickbait, but as you can see, people love it because it's so popular. With that, I'll use this video. So I'm going to open up this video by clicking on it. Simply scroll down and click the share button. Right here is where you'll find the share button. Simply click that and copy the URL that leads to this video. Simply press the copy button on this page. Next, we're going to go back to the previous page and we're going to do the same thing to similar videos. You are going to need a few more videos and links to make money. But first, I'd like you to go to oke.io, which is the first website we'll visit. So come over to this website because this is a working place. This is a global platform that will pay you by Bitcoin, PayPal, Skrill, or any of the other payment methods I mentioned at the start of this video. With that, you have the option of selecting a payment method. Here is where you will paste the YouTube link you copied earlier. So just head over to oke.io and sign up in the upper right corner. You may now create a free account by registering here. To begin, you must first create an account by entering a username. In the field, type your email address, After that, you must create a password for your account and then retype the same password. Then click I'm not a robot and then submit. This is what your fresh, new OKE account will look like once you've done that. So this is a dashboard where you can keep track of your earnings. You can keep track of your clicks and views. You can of course withdraw your funds by hitting the withdraw icon on the upper right. As you begin to see money from here on the dashboard, you can eventually click the withdraw button, take out the money and spend it on whatever you'd like. So, how do you use OKE.io to be profitable and earn money? Simply copy and paste certain URLs into this box and this website will shorten the link for you. Then if someone clicks on your shortened URL link, you'll get compensated. And you can earn up to $20 per 1,000 clicks, which is a substantial amount. So if you stay with me, I'll teach you how and where you can distribute those YouTube videos to get money. All of this may seem confusing at first, but if you follow the steps in this video and follow along with me, you will be ready to start making money by the conclusion of the video. So you copy the first video from YouTube once more. You visited a video, click the share button and copy the video's URL. You signed up for an account on OKE.io. You copied and pasted the link to the YouTube video right here. Then simply click on the shortened URL from the top of the screen. Now you have saved the new URL. Make a copy of this and keep it somewhere safe because you will need to use this later. To ensure that I don't lose my shortened link, I'll simply open a new window or tab for the second video and a new tab for the third video. So I'll start a new tab, go back to YouTube and look for another video in the same niche with similar keywords. Do this every day to lose weight, 2 weeks shred challenge. I double click and start watching that video. I'll go ahead and share this video. That video's URL will be copied. Return to this page on OKE.io. Here is where you should paste the video link. Then, to create a new shortened link, click the shorten button. The second video can now be accessed via this link. Now I'm going back to look for the third and last video to make a shortened link. Take for instance this one, lose weight, lose belly fat, how to lose belly fat. I'm going to open up the video and offer it right here. The URL for the video should then be copied. Return to my account, copy and paste the link into this box, and select the option to shorten. So, what am I going to do with these 3 separate shortened links that go to videos about how to lose weight quickly? Here's what you can do about it. I made up an entire template for you. This is all taken care of. You can pause the video here and take notes. I will also probably leave it in the video's description on YouTube. But if I forget, please enter it in the comment section below and I'll include it in the description. You're going to make money with this script. In this section, we'll briefly discuss how to most effectively use this template. Under the part where it says, here are the 3 separate videos that will help you lose weight in 14 days for free. You can go back to that first tab, the one with the first video we had earlier. Go back and copy the first shortened URL, then paste it under number 1. Then return to the second page and copy the second tab's link, which you should paste under number 2. Then repeat this for number 3. So if someone looks at your topics, it's clear that you're talking about weight loss. Then you'll offer them something they may watch for free that will assist them in losing weight. As you can see, OKE.io will pay you for simply having visitors click on your links. You do not need to register for anything. You will be rewarded if people simply click on your links. So, in essence, you're being compensated for sharing other people's YouTube videos. But now, all you have to do is send a script along with your link to those who are interested in reducing weight or learning more about a specific topic. So, where do you look for others who want to lose weight so that you may share the script with them? This is the final and most essential phase, where you will begin earning money and seeing results on OKE.io. When you start distributing your script with the shortened links, you'll see results and start making money in a matter of minutes or 2. So first, copy the script and then go to this website that will allow you to share it. Findaforum.net is the name of this website. Go to that website and select categories from the drop-down menu. You'll discover all of the major categories here along with thousands of separate forums for each of those distinct specialties. So in our instance, we're discussing weight loss. The next step is to narrow down the people you want to reach. You can do this by going over to the health niche and get more specific by reviewing the categories. Over here, it shows a list from fitness and exercise, and then below that is dieting and weight loss. After that, you can choose between dieting and weight loss. This will result in distinct forums with tens of thousands of members. For instance, the first forum alone includes approximately 153,224 people who want to lose weight. And now I can share the script with them and they can watch the videos by clicking on the shorter links. This is completely free for both myself and them. Since you already have a forum with an audience who is already interested in this topic, they are more likely to click on those links. This is perfect since you don't have to sell anything. They do not have to buy anything and there's no pressure for them. All they have to do now is click on the video. They are free to watch or do whatever they choose. Even if we only share those YouTube videos, we'll still get compensated. So go ahead and join all of those different forums, copy and paste the template so you can share all of the video links. You can join the forum and distribute the script because it has already been created for you and you do not need to make a video or do anything. Everything is taken care of for you. And hundreds of thousands of people will be able to see your script. Your shortened URL is visible to them. They'll click on it and you'll be able to earn money simply by sharing YouTube videos. You can do this as many times as you want for as long as you want it. The nicest benefit is that there is no need to keep track of inventory. There isn't any stock available. You aren't attempting to sell anything. You're essentially delivering value for free. And people in those forums will be grateful to you because you're sharing valuable information. And while you are helping other people, you will also benefit by making money on the side by sharing YouTube videos. I hope you like this video and learn how to use this app and website to make some money in this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any of our new contents. Thank you very much for watching until the end, and I hope to see you in our future videos.